Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin a mathematics activity of standard 3rd, and today's activity is based on the developing of measuring skill. So let's start our interesting activity which is based on measuring skill. Before starting the activity, dear students, you have to note down this. For writing activity, you have to take either A4 size paper or chart paper or any plain paper of A4 size. Don't forget to mention your name, standard, section and roll number on it. And after that, what you have to do? You have to write down activity's name, objective, material required, and then in the observation table your activity means what we are doing. No need to write the procedure, and at the end of this activity you have to write down the learning outcomes, and all these things are given in the next slides. So let's start doing an activity. What is today's activity? Let's see. In today's activity, I will going to see your measuring skill, whether you are able to measure. For this, either you have to take a ruler, that is scale, or a measuring tape, that is telling tape, which is I think available maximum home. So to measure, you have to measure the following things: length of the right palm, width of the right palm, length of the right ear and width of the smile. So it's a very interesting activity. Its learning objective is to develop your measuring skill and to collect, display and interpret the data by collecting own. Material required is already I told you, ruler or measuring tape or pencil or a paper. Now it is a group activity and school is not there, friends are not there. So what you have to do? Your family members now becomes a group, your friends. Okay. So let's start our activity. Now in this activity, instead of students, make a group of family member. Don't take all. Take only 3 members. Now what is the procedure? Procedure of length and width of the right palm. One member will stretch the arm of his right hand and another will measure the length and width, means vertical and horizontal width of the palm using ruler or measuring tape, and record the observation. Observation table is in the next slides. Now again interchange, means first who are measuring now measure the length and width of the palm. So in this way both measures each other's. So all the members in the group follow the same procedure in pairs. So at the end you will get 3 length of and width of the palm, total 6. Okay. You can see the pictures of the above slides which shows how to measure the length of the ear, length of the palm. So again one member will hold a ruler parallel and close to the right ear of another students and measure the length, and then now exchange their role. So in this way you can measure the length of the right ear for each other. Now how to measure the width of the smile? For that first you have to smile, and then it should be ensured that the ruler and measure remains in contact with the skin while making the measurement. So in this way you can measure the width of the smile also. So smile and measure the width. Again you have to perform this with the help of your group members, that is your family members, because now no student will help you. See here, this is the observation table. Instead of student's name, you have to write down the name of 3 members of your family. Then write down the length of the right palm, width of the right palm, length of the right ear and the width of the smile. And then from this interpret which group member is having the longest palm, which group member having the shortest palm length, having the widest smile, longest ear and shortest ear. So measure and then interpret the data. So at the end of this you have to write down this learning outcome. Okay. So in this way you have to finish the activity, put it down on the activity paper and send it to me. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.